Kia ora whānau, it is Josh here from Affordable Moving Solutions, and today I have the privilege of being here with
Rikki from B.LIST, who is bigger than Josh from Affordable Moving.
So Rikki has helped support our business through getting our boys kitted up in our apparel, everything from the t-shirt that you see today to high-vis safety hoodies,
Custom safety hoodies,
custom made, designed, supplied, and everything in between. So Rikki, bro, can you tell me a little bit about the business?
B.LIST, we have the tattoo side, but we also have the clothing side. The clothing was just sort of to support the sales and help keep the ball rolling in the early days, but it sort of created a culture in the community, and it meant that we had to produce more clothing to meet the demand. The reason we started printing ourselves was because there was a hole in the market. No one could sort of give us the quality that we were after, and I think the only one who could deliver on that quality was the person who was designing and had the eye for detail, which is myself.
Brother, people are trying to find somebody to do the sign writing or apparel or get things on, whether it be sports teams, whether it be businesses, whatever it is. What is something that they need to be aware of or looking for out of their partnership?
But you got to love it. You got to love what you do. We're providing something that we have to sell for retail value, which means the quality of garment that we sell has to be at a very good level, right?
Yep.
People come to us to get their garments printed, and that same level has to be met.
If people want to get in contact with you, how do they do that?
Can you drop one of those little at things below here?
We'll put it in the absolute
Below that.